Use a lure and eject trap to remove wasps without widespread killing and protect pollinators. Start by choosing a lure formula that targets the specific wasp species you see, because different wasps respond to different protein or carbohydrate baits. For social paper wasps and yellow jackets, use a sweet carbohydrate lure in late summer when they forage for sugars, and switch to a protein-based lure in spring when they feed larvae. Dilute syrups or fruit juice work well and are easy to refill. Position traps at least 20 feet away from patios, play areas, and doorways, and place them at a height roughly even with a standing adult head to intercept flight paths without drawing insects toward people. Check traps after dusk when wasps are less active, and remove captured insects using gloves and a sealed container or temporary holding box to relocate or humanely dispatch queens if relocation is required. For large or established nests, consider combining traps with targeted nest treatments by a licensed professional, because traps alone may not quickly reduce a heavy local population. Keep traps shaded and out of direct rain to preserve lure potency, and inspect weekly for mold, fermentation, or ant invasion, which can reduce effectiveness. If your goal is minimal mortality, use traps that allow temporary holding and avoid baiting during peak pollinator foraging times, and keep flowering plants more than 30 feet from trap placement. 3 common mistakes are placing traps too close to human activity, which increases stings and defeats the purpose. Bait and move them at least 20 feet away so you reduce encounters. A second mistake is checking traps during daylight when wasps are active, which raises risk and can let captured queens escape, so always service traps after dusk when insects are calm. A third problem is using a single generic lure for all seasons and species, which lowers catch rates and can harm non-target pollinators. So change lure type seasonally and monitor trap catches early to confirm you are attracting the intended wasps, and adjust bait accordingly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and resources related to pest control projects and home exterior work, and our discussion community lets users share real experiences about traps, relocation, and seasonal strategies. We help contractors find local jobs and homeowners discover approaches that match their goals while keeping pollinators in mind.